So number one, guys, you can go out and be a proofreader and you can earn around about $30 per hour. Now, this is in no particular order. I just wanted to jump straight in and show you some of the best ways to make money online. And combined, you should be able to make some money online every single day doing these particular methods if you can combine them. So let's jump back into this. And like I said, this is in no particular order. But as you see right here for proofreading, there are plenty of people who are charging an hourly rate for this service. So $11, $11, $8, $12, $15, $10, $10, and it keeps going. So proofreading looks like a pretty simple and easy way to go ahead and make a little bit of money online. And not only that, you can actually offer other services as well. Like this lady here does ghostwriting, SEO writing, and mentoring and coaching for writing as well. So you can actually go ahead and you can go into other types of services on this website here, which is called guru.com. So go and check that out. Now, another great way to make money online is by going ahead and starting a TikTok account based on a specific thing. Now, what we can actually do is we can go to fiverr.com and we can go ahead and click on 300 YouTube shorts, for example, and these guys will make you 300 YouTube shorts, or you can get 50 YouTube shorts for $5. And you can actually go ahead and use these as well on TikTok. Now, let me show you. I actually made an order recently, because I actually do this, where I got a bunch of videos about facts. So I literally paid $5 for 50 videos, and then I can go and start a TikTok account, and I can start a facts TikTok account. If we click on something like this, for example, where they have millions of views on their videos and they got 140,000 followers, and then they would obviously have a link down here or something like that. We go back to this one, another one. Let's find one right here. Listo Theory, 168,000 followers. And you can build up an audience, and then you can go ahead and promote something to make money online via an affiliate link or something like that. But you can go to Fiverr and you can purchase the videos. If you don't do any work, you'll get them in 24 hours, and you can go and start a TikTok account or even a YouTube account about a specific topic. And if you actually look at this, they have all of their topics down here that you could potentially go ahead and get content for. The next one, and this is one I actually do as well, this is actually my YouTube channel, is you can start a gaming YouTube channel without showing your face. If we click on this, you won't see my face. It's just my voice. No face, just my voice and some gaming content. So if you're into gaming, you could do something like that. And you can see that this specific channel has 6,000 subscribers. I don't post on it much anymore because I don't really need to. I haven't been playing too many games lately. But for example, you can go ahead and do content on like builds. So the Diablo 4 season just came out. So Diablo 4 season builds. And you can do content based on that because it's popular right now. And then you can use something like vidIQ, where you can go ahead and get your video optimized so you rank up for those keywords. So that is making a YouTube account based on gaming or something else if you like, but in this case, I did one about gaming. All right, now while we're on the topic of YouTube, there's another way that you can make money with YouTube, and that's to do with faceless YouTube channels. Now, it's kind of like the same as before with the gaming, but you can do it on any type of niche. So for example, this is the motivation niche. If we click on this video here, you can see that this video doesn't have anybody's face, and it's simply just motivation. So what you can do is you can go to something like fiverr.com and you can go and put in faceless. So you put faceless into the search, and there's actually people that will create. So here we go. I will create top 10 cash cow faceless videos. And if we click on this one here, this person will also create videos for you as well. Now, there's actually people that will create entire channels and even run them for you, so you don't have to do anything, literally nothing. So let's check this one out right here and have a look. This one here, I will create top 10 cash cow videos and YouTube cash cow channel for you. So they will actually create the videos and the channel for you, so you don't have to do any of the work yourself. And you can actually usually even pay them to keep making videos and uploading videos on a schedule for you. So it's essentially nearly fully automatic, because you'd also have to go and check things and make sure things are still running smoothly as time goes on. But that is another way that you can make money online, and that is by doing faceless YouTube videos and starting a faceless YouTube video. It's called a cash cow video system. And this is one of the most popular ways to make money online right now because it's so easy to get started. The next one is we can actually use a website called web10.io. And what this website does is it uses AI to go ahead and generate a website. So create a website using AI Website Builder, host it on Web10 hosting, and optimize it with Page Speed Booster. So essentially what this does is it gives you everything you need to go and create a website instantly, pretty much uses AI. And you might be asking, why would I want to go and create a website? Well, you can actually sell websites for a lot of money online. So for example, this person here charges $14 per hour, this person $25 per hour. And what they do is they go ahead and create websites. This one, $15 per hour, 15, 15, 10, etc. And they go and create websites, and we can easily create them with this AI generative tool. And we can also go and sell our services on Fiverr, and we can offer to create specific type of websites for people. So for example, I will create a travel affiliate website. So we can go ahead and create that with the AI tool, and then we can go and sell it to people on Fiverr if we like, as an affiliate marketing package. So there's lots of different ways that we can make money by creating websites for people. And it's really an easy way to make money online because we can create packages for people on specific websites, or we can create custom websites for people on Upwork.com. So that's another great way to make money online, and that is called web.io. Now, if you want a much simpler way to make money online, that's pretty easy as well, is we can go to rev.com. Now on rev.com, this is a freelancer website, and what they actually do is we can earn money transcribing, captioning, and subtitling from anywhere in the world. And people are earning around about 30 cents to $1.10 per minute for actually doing this. So essentially what we're doing is we're listening to audio and video, and we are accurately typing what is said and then labeling it as well. Or you can be a captioner if you like, and you get 50 cents to $1.10 per minute of video as well. So those are the two things that you could potentially do to make money on rev.com. But we can actually make this a lot easier. So you can go ahead and have a look at this and see what it's like. But we can actually use kind of like a bit of a cheat code here. We can go to a website called Rhythmic, and we can actually convert audio to text with Rhythmics by converting it online. So we can sign up, we can convert audio to text, we can potentially edit it and stuff like that if it's not absolutely accurate, but we can go ahead and use this AI tool to do that. And then we can go back to Rev and we could submit that. So we're literally not doing anything. Once again, we're using AI tools to do all of the work for us. So that's really, really a great way to go ahead and make money with Rev. You can either do it manually, or you can go ahead and use this website here called Rhythmics. Right guys, now the next way to make money online is one of my favorites, and I'm actively doing this right now. What you want to do is you want to find a specific program, primarily a software, and you want to go ahead and check it out and make sure it's like a pretty good software. So for example, this one is called getresponse.com. It's an email marketing system and a bunch of other stuff. Now I already know everything about this software, but if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see that it says here somewhere affiliate programs, and you want to sign up as an affiliate marketer, and you're going to get a link that you can post online and you can make a commission. Now, with this specific affiliate marketing program, we can make 33% every single month recurring, or we could get $100 per sign up that we get. Now, how do you actually make money with this? You can go to YouTube, for example, and you can do reviews on the actual product that you are promoting. And this is pretty much one of the top ways to make money online. If you actually go here and put in get response tutorial, you'll see that I actually have videos doing this as well. Or if you click on this specific video, for example, and we go down to here, there is a link right here. Now this link is going to take us to Get Response. Hopefully, yes, it does. And then what happens is if someone purchases through my link, I'm going to get a commission. But not only that, if we actually click on the video analytics here for this specific video, one of these videos here, let's just go back here, I'll show you. So that is this video right here at the top. Not only that, it made me $800 in advertising revenue. Now that's not a lot of money when you think about it compared to what we should be making online, because you need to have this make you money all the time so you can earn an income. However, if you do this multiple times with multiple videos and multiple products, it actually starts to build up pretty quickly. So find a product that has an affiliate program, do content on that program and put your link in the description like I have right here, and then do content like tutorials, reviews, and stuff like that, and you could potentially make sales with that. Now, another way to actually do this as well, so we'll make this another way to make money, is do something called launch jacking. And what you do is you go to a website called muncheye.com and you find products that are launching soon. Now, the reason we do this is because when the products launch, there's a lot of traffic to the products as people are searching for the specific products. Now, it's more of a churn and burn way. So for example, like it's not as evergreen. You might make money for like a few weeks and you have to keep repeating the process. But if we click on this one right here and we go to the link here, so gptreels.io, we can go ahead and we can promote this specific product, right? Now, what happens is we sign up as an affiliate and they give us all of the content that we need, and we can go and usually you can actually sometimes ask them for a demo version and they'll give you a copy so you can do content. But just figure out what this specific thing is about and then go and promote it and sign up as an affiliate. And they actually give away prizes as well, so you can win money and things like that for promoting this specific product. And you can repeat this process over and over again because there's so many products that you can promote every single day. And as you can see here, you go get my affiliate link. You can get your affiliate link here. Email swipes. They give you emails as well if you need to have those. And then they give you bonuses as well. So you can go ahead and get bonuses to give away. And then not only that, we can also go and see the JV document, which gives us a bunch of information as well on everything that we need to know about this particular promotion. And like I said, if we go back to muncheye.com, there's lots of other products that we can promote. You can see that nearly like every 2 or 3 days, there's something that you can promote to make money online. All right, guys, so those are some ways you can go ahead and make money online. Go ahead and give them a go and see if you can make some money. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell so when my next video comes out, and I'll see you then.